In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get rid of ruler in Canva. If you have rulers showing around your Canva design and you want a cleaner workspace, this is a very quick fix. The ruler can be useful when you're aligning elements precisely, but if it's getting in the way or you simply don't need it right now, you can turn it off in just a few clicks. To begin, open your design in Canva. Make sure you're inside the project where the ruler is currently visible, so you can see the change happen immediately on your canvas. This makes it easier to confirm that the setting has been switched off correctly. Once your design is open, go to the top left corner of the screen and click File. This opens a menu with several options related to your design and workspace settings. If you haven't used this menu much before, don't worry. The option you need is easy to find from here. In the File menu, look for Settings and place your cursor over it. When you hover over Settings, more options will appear in a side menu. In that list, click Show Rulers and Guides to turn it off. If the feature is currently enabled, you'll see a check mark next to it. Once you click it, that check mark should disappear, which tells you the rulers and guides have been turned off. Now look back at your canvas, and you should see that the ruler is gone. This gives you a cleaner editing view, which can be especially helpful if you want to focus on design elements without extra visual tools around the edges. There's also a faster way to do this if you prefer keyboard shortcuts. You can press Shift+R to toggle the rulers on or off. That's a handy shortcut to remember if you switch back and forth often while designing. It can save time, especially when you're working on detailed layouts and then want to return to a distraction-free view. And that's it. That's how to get rid of the ruler in Canva. It's a simple setting, but knowing where it is can make your editing experience smoother and more comfortable. If the rulers ever come back and you need them again, just repeat the same steps or use the Shift and R shortcut to toggle them back on.